length about insiders, malicious or unsuspecting. We have started realizing that the insider threat was always there, but that threat is no longer as insidious. The external threat is getting really, really bad. The insider threat always exists. You have to protect yourselves against that, and we used to, for a long period of time, do a lot of stuff which focused on internal security measures. But you realized that as technology gets more advanced, you are able to solve some of your insider threats much more effectively. Because one of the things most companies have realized, it's very difficult to educate, let's say 10,000 people in your organization or 5,000 people in your organization, the importance of information security and what is the right behavior given different scenarios. There's a lot which is spoken about user awareness, so on and so forth. Important, but a lot of technology actually protects you against user ignorance. So the insider threat is there, but it is getting less and less insidious. The external threat is getting worse all the time. So if you look at, again, who sells or who uses your data which is stolen, your competitor actually buys data. So in industrial espionage, it's only 1%. But 70% of the information is given free of cost to your competitor, which means users in your organization joining your competitor. Don't think that they won't take your data out in a hard drive. Most people who leave organizations take everything including their emails. And let's not deny it. I think most of us would. And where does it go? 23%, very interestingly, set up competition after they steal your data. So most organizations have got their bases covered, right? No floppy disks, no CDs, no USBs, everything banned, right? Have you thought of SD cards? It's very easy to use an SD card and take out data. So every time you protect one device, the second device will appear. And this SD card is so freely available. Every digital camera has one. Probably all your phones are one. Yeah. So what is your employee doing when all this is happening? And this, I will go back to the insider threat for a moment. If you go to LinkedIn, is LinkedIn a job portal? In most cases, yes. A lot of job hunting happens through LinkedIn. Even we do it. So we come across a profile which says, systems administrator, worked in X organization, designed the DMZ. The DMZ had these technology components. This is the architecture that they deployed. Everything is available. So it's not just about them, about the organizations they work for. So what are we trying to protect? So even if I don't have LinkedIn access in my office, I will always access it at home. Who stops me there? Right? Similarly, LinkedIn has a status. What are you doing currently? I am working for such and such client, doing such and such project. But boss, that project was very confidential. The client doesn't want anyone to talk about it. But it happens all the time. Think about it. Any data that you lose as an organization, the internet size almost 500 billion GB. And remember, anything about your organization which goes on the internet, there's not a single way that you can retrieve it. It will always remain. There are website caches. There is a website history.com or something of that kind. It will give you a cached image of Google over the last 100 years. Not only Google, every single website out there. So even if you remove that page, the archive of your older page remains on that website. So what are you going to protect against? Once it goes out there, it will never come back. The times are changing. Threats are no longer internal. We discussed about it. The problem always has been that there are very, very limited skills to design and implement solutions which are long-lasting, which are powerful, and to have the intuition to do something when a new threat occurs. The threats are very limited. So you need to use, you have to use people, processes and technology more and more. And if your processes are inadequate, your people are limited, then you need to use technology more. I mean, there is no option, because that's the only way you can protect yourself.